Hey guys, it's Ivy, and welcome to the coupon camp. We are going inside of Dollar Tree. I have not been in Dollar Tree all for like 3 weeks, so I'm happy to go in here. This is the smaller one, guys, so we're gonna see what we can do. It's PNG, May PNG is really hot with glitches, and it's a couple of glitches in here. Hopefully we can get some if they haven't all got them. Let's go. Oh, they put Powerade back in here. I need to grab some for my son. He did not like that other stuff I bought. So I'm gonna grab a couple of Powerades. We got red. And I'm gonna grab him a blue one. I'll be glad when those coupons come back, huh? How about that? Oh, those ices are here. The ices, they're back here. Now I like these. Those other ones, oh my goodness, they awful. So our first glitch of the day is these two Bounty Essentials. The dollar out of the PNG Bounty Bounty Essentials out of the PNG. That's the one that matches that, making those free for us. Oh, here's my jasmine rice. So let me grab a jasmine rice for myself. Okay, and there's the Goya again. We got a Goya coupon. It's this, and you gotta buy something else with it though. So that probably make them 50 cents each. Oh my God, jackpot again, jackpot again. Look guys, we hit the Lucky Charm box. We hit the Lucky Charms. Yay! They make those 50 cents each for these big giant boxes. Yes, 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 yes. And then at this point, look at all those. We got a ton of them. Oh wow. Okay, and next we're gonna go down here. Oh, what's these? Cocoa. Oh, look at that. I wonder if those coupons will work on that. But what we're going to get next is 2 bags of Cheerios, and that is off our dollar coupon. Guys, we got more deals, more deals. We might could use these. Let me see. I think we can only do the Cheerios, but here's the one for the Lucky Charms right there. So to make them 50 cents a box. And then these right here, I was going to show you the Minions. Here's the Minions cereal right here. These was at the other store, but they wasn't here last time, so there they go now. If you have those coupons, go get it. I only brought 2 with me, so I'm gonna grab the 2 boxes of Cheerio, okay? Because the Cheerio coupon will beat if you do not have the correct one. Okay, so let's do that one. No bread, no bread. Dang. No bread. When I said I was going on a breadless diet, boy, they stopped the bread instantly. Just look at it. This is out. My God. It's all out. Okay, so what's these? Mermaid fruit snacks. Oh, the Italian ices are back too. My kids love those. Those are back, so I'm gonna grab 1 box of those. Italian ice. Okay, the Old Spice. These 2 right here work. So I'm going to grab 2 of these right here. That coupon out of the PNG, the dollar one, it works on these, okay? So I think I grabbed 2 of those. Let me get 2 more. So I think I brought 2 with me. Or wait, yeah, I brought 2. Okay, I'm looking for the Tylenol, and it is all wiped out. Now, the Tylenol and the $2 off, I'm going to show it to you. That one works on the Tylenol that's in here. Okay, and I do not see it, so. We have an Aphrodite coupon. If you got those that, or if you had an Aphrodite coupon, that worked good too. Colgate Travel. You can grab 1 Colgate Travel. I only brought 1 of these coupons, but these also work, making these free. And I'm going to grab 1 toothpaste, and this should be free. We got a couponer in here with me. Oh, you see these? These the Old Spice soaps. Now, I know for a fact they said these work. I think I'm going to grab the soaps instead of the deodorants. I'm going to use the soaps because I haven't used those. And we'll put these bars, these deodorants back. Okay, we could grab 1 Alberto BO5. Then make these 50 cents each. It's 50 cents off. Okay, if you would have had the Zest coupon, it would work on this Zest right here. I don't have any coupons anymore. I used all of them. But you always can order them and get them for free, guys. You always can order and get them for free. Look at this. Natural Look fruit teas. What is that? Okay, maybe this coupon worked. I need to check and see. Okay, this did not work. The coupon for this LA Colors, it did not work. So be careful when you're using it. That coupon didn't work. So they restocking. I don't know if it's because the freezer went out or what. But this is crazy. It's out. Okay, the Scotty's coupons, they're $1. Okay. Okay, here's the Scotty's. It's 75 cents off two. Alright. And then $1 off the Colgate. $1 off the toothbrush. 50 cents off Alberto VO5. $1 off the Bounty. $1 off the two Cheerios. $1 off the two big boxes of Lucky Charms. That was a good score. $1 off the Old Spice. We got $1 off two Old Spice bars deodorant. So we end up with 4 of those. So let's keep looking. Okay, here's the Sherman right here. You grab 2 of these, and we got $1 off coupon for making it free. And I'm gonna try these. I believe these are $1 off also. If not, we'll just put it back. But I got those coupons about too. And look at these guys. These are refills. I wonder what they work on that refill. I should have brought one and saw. I'm gonna try it. I'll let you guys know. But there's tons of it. So, okay. Now you have $1 off the Blue Dawn. It is not the Palmo, it's the Blue Dawn, and they don't have any. Then you got $1 off the Gang, and you don't have that either. So some of the stuff they moved out the way, like this, that Bang, this new. This ain't new, but it's starting to be here a lot. So I know you guys hear me all clouded up, but I gotta keep my mask on. I can't take it off. Man, I was wondering we're gonna get some more of these coupons back. I love, but you can go to Dollar General if you got the coupon. I did not get it. It's 75 cents off on the dollar aisle, making those 25 cents. So don't think you just held down to one spot because you're not. Oh look, cook, eat, be happy. That's cute. I like that. Okay, cook, eat, be happy. Forks to be reckoned with. That's cute too. I like those also. Okay, they kind of like got all this stuff. I'm gonna grab this $1 off 2 Welchers. I'm gonna actually get the. Is that? Oh, let me get these. These are new vanilla cream, chewy. I'm gonna grab those. Okay. So, we got a Lucky Charms. We got these. We got 2 Bounties. So let's hope all of this goes through. Okay, a good day is when all of it works. Those coupons right there. I showed you guys all of the coupons. So we're gonna go up here and check out, and then we'll go over I'll let you know if everything, what beeped and what didn't, what worked, what went through, what got through, what didn't get through. I'll let you know all of that, okay? So let's get ready to go. Okay guys, so here is Dollar Tree stuff. Wow, fantastic. Now, remember the Alberto VO5 shampoo that beat and the toothbrush beat. So those 2 coupons beat. Do not use them, okay? Now, look at our 50-cent stuff. Lucky Charms. We grabbed 2 boxes of those for 50 cents each. These for 50 cents each. The coupon is buy 2, get $1 off. 50 cents each. These Werthers for 50 cents each because it's buy 2 for $1. And then, of course, these were 50 cents each. It's buy 2, take $1 off. Now, freebies of the day. Bounty Essentials. Now, the Bounty was worth it. If you can get it free, I will never buy this small skinny pack of Bounty for 75 cents. That's not worth that. The 2 that I got from Dollar General and paid $2.50 for, they're huge. So remember, size does, in this case, it matters. You don't want anything too small, skinny, don't look right. Look at this. Now this is worth the tissue. This is a big thing of tissue right here. free, of course. Now, you guys see this. I'm going to go back and rack up because I see a free stockpile. Build a free stockpile. This is free tissue and free paper towel at this point. Build it, build it, build it. This is the Old Spice soap. First time I ever saw it. Oh, it do smell good though, guys. And then these two. And then you can get all the free toothpaste you want. So if you want to build a free stockpile, this is the time right now to build a free stockpile. You can get whatever you need. So let me show you the receipt. Okay, I don't know what you guys can see, but where is it? Okay, there it is. 11 or $12 in coupon savings. See that? Yes. So we did get what we need. So all together I spent $1, $2, $3, $4. This haul was $4. So go grab your stuff at Dollar Tree, guys. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share this channel. Bye.